very nice of you, Fox, but no. I'm having lunch with a Gruffalo. A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo? Why, a Gruffalo? Didn't you know? Now our little mouse is thinking, what am I going to say that is going to scare this fox away so he doesn't eat me? Well, he has terrible tusks. And he has terrible claws. Can you guys show me your claws? Yeah, oh, that's scary. Oh, and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws. Oh, now our fox, he's worried. Where are you meeting him? Oh, here by these rocks. And his favorite food is roasted fox. Roasted fox! Oh my! Said the fox. Goodbye, little mouse. And he ran back into his underground